woke up feeling adventurous. A strange glowing key sat on the doorstep. Could it open a hidden secret? Bingo ran over. She shouted, "Bluey, what does it unlock?" Bluey grinned. "Let's find out together." Dad peeked from the porch. "Be careful." Mom smiled warmly. Bluey nodded determinedly. They stepped into the backyard. The key sparkled in Bluey's paw. The grass shimmered in the morning sun. Could this be the start of something magical? Suddenly, a tiny door appeared under the big oak tree. Bluey gasped. Bingo whispered, "Could it be a portal?" Bluey inserted the key. The door creaked open. A tunnel of sparkling light appeared. Could they really go inside? Inside, the tunnel shimmered with colors. Strange shadows danced along the walls. Bluey felt her heart race. Bingo's paws barely touched the ground. Could this world be enchanted? A friendly creature appeared. Its wings glowed softly. Bluey whispered, "Hello." Could this be their guide? The creature led them to a hidden garden. Flowers glimmered in every color. Bluey twirled with joy. Could happiness feel this real? They explored carefully, jumping over tiny streams, chasing butterflies, laughing and discovering secrets. Bluey's heart felt full of wonder. As the sun began to set, they returned home through the tunnel. The backyard looked normal again. Bluey whispered, "What an incredible adventure." Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for sharing this magical day." Bluey wagged her tail happily. "And you?" "Yes, you." If you felt the magic with Bluey, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.